Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing bread chicken pizza. It is an instant solution for your pizza craving. Let's start with the ingredients. Here I've used 2 slices of bread. I'm using cheese slice here, a cube of cheese. We have half capsicum which I've chopped. Pepper I've used about 1/4 spoon. We have salt to taste, and we have 2 to 3 pieces of chicken which is shredded, and half onion chopped, and some pizza sauce. Let's proceed further. So here I've taken a pan. You can also use a kadai or a tawa. I'm greasing it with oil. You can also use butter. I've placed the bread and I will start spreading the pizza sauce onto it. Make sure you spread it thoroughly. If you do not have pizza sauce, you can also use tomato ketchup here. Next, we will be adding the cheese slice. Now, cheese slice is to enhance the flavor of the bread pizza. I'm sure you're going to love it. Do try it. Let's start with the topping now. So here to a bowl, I'm adding all the ingredients to make the topping for our bread pizza. I've added shredded chicken, onion, capsicum, some salt to taste, and finally 1/4 spoon of pepper powder, or you can also use some crushed pepper. So now let's combine all the ingredients. Let us give it a good mix here so that the pepper and the salt can be combined with all the ingredients. So the topping is ready now. Let's start to place this topping onto the cheese slice. I am using about 2 to 3 spoon of topping here onto the bread pizza. You can use it accordingly. Just spread this evenly all over the pizza, and then meanwhile we'll also grate the cheese cube so that we can top that onto this bread pizza. So here I've topped this with the cheese which I've grated, and finally we'll spread or sprinkle some oregano, which is totally optional. I'll on the stove reduce the flame to low, cover the lid, and we'll cook this until the cheese melts completely. So as you can see, the bread pizza is ready now. Please enjoy that. Do try that at home. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And all the credit goes to MS Wedding Photo and Video for editing this video. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.